Welcome. In front of me I have the NUKI Smart Lock, and I'll go around unboxing along with a look at the actual product itself. So this is the fourth generation, which now comes with a Wi-Fi capability, meaning that you can actually use this with other like smart home applications like Google, Alexa, so you can use basically commands for it and all that stuff, which is pretty nice. And in this case also allows you to not be forced into using the NUKI application if that is something that you don't like. So inside of the box we don't have too much. You see we do have all the mounting that you need. Actually, geez, that is like right in there. Holy crap. There we go. So we have the, looks to be two different mountings. And that's one thing. It tells us to charge it with an included USB cable before first use, the power, whatever. And here we have a cable, and that is also Type-C. As most, or not most, but I think every electronic device that has been released since 2024, I think, is forced into using a USB Type-C for charging. So, and we have obviously the Allen key. One of the plates fell. Oh well. Now, in terms of the design, this is actually metal now. We have actually one artwork right here that we use, and that one has a plastic little knob. It does have a little bit of play to it and a little bit of like a rattle to it. You also have the button right here to basically not have to twist it. You just press it and it automatically opens it up. And you know, there's not much to it. We do have something here. Is that a battery? Yep. So it looks like it has a detachable battery right here. You do need to remove this first to actually start using it. It's a weird looking cell right here. Okay, so yeah, that's basically everything to it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.